Take your Hyundai Tucson on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers, custom fit for your spacious interior. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 7 pieces and includes 3 headrest covers, 2 backrest cover sections to accommodate the 60/40 split seats, and 2 bench cover bottom sections. Begin by disconnecting the seat flap located on the rear of the backrest and under the seat bottom. More on that later. Now remove the headrests and stretch the backrest cover around the bucket seats. You will notice that the cover has foam push bars. From the back side, you will see 3 foam push bars, located top center, left, and right. Insert the foam push bars into the crevice of the backrest. Making sure to tuck the fabric around the edges and into the crevice. Now tuck the fabric under the accented metallic trim around the headrest base. Then insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps out from the crevice. Using the hook and loop adhesive sides, firmly fasten the straps to the back of the seat. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. You will notice the inner side of the cover has an elastic loop. Slip the loop around the seat belt buckle for added security. Next, insert the foam push bar into the crevice of the seat base. And then insert the side push clip into the crevice to assure that the seat bottom has a secure, snug fit. Then tuck the fabric in. Now you will tuck the buckle straps under the seat. From the front bottom of the seat, you will stretch the straps underneath the seat bottom to the back side. From under the back side, grab the straps and connect each one to the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Now reconnect the original seat flap. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Then place the center console cover on by slipping the elastic loop over the unit and tucking the cover around the sides. Next, remove all the rear headrests. Then, starting with the 60 split side, behind the passenger seat, unzip the cover and slip it under the seat belt. Then fold down the seat and slip the cover around the backrest, making sure the cutouts line up with the controls. Now, behind the driver's side, tilt the 40 split backrest section forward. Make sure the cover is unzipped and slip the cover over the seat. Next, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat and tuck the fabric in. Then fold down the backrest sections. From the bottom of the seats, pull the straps up from the crevice and fasten them along the back side using the hook and loop closure. Zip up the cover on the 40 split side and use the hook and loop strips to secure the cover to the back side. Then repeat these steps on the 60 split side, making sure the fabric is pulled down and fastened firmly to the back side. Then place the backrest back in an upright position. Now tuck the cutouts around and under the headrest base and seat controls. Next, place the rear bottom seat cover sections over the bench seat. Release the backrest and tilt it forward. Then insert the buckle straps into the crevice of the seat. Make sure to feed the inner strap through the elastic loop insert it under the seat and tuck the fabric in. Do the same on both the left and right sides of the bench seat. Now from under the bench bottom, pull all the straps out from under the seat and begin to connect them to the buckles one by one, making sure to adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Finally, reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your Hyundai Tucson's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers. Available in both Ultraflex neoprene and Lux faux leather.